Get ready, creators, because the DJI Pocket 4 isn't just another camera. It's about to redefine creativity itself. Once again, DJI proves that true innovation doesn't need size, it needs vision. This time, they've packed professional filmmaking power into something that literally fits in your pocket. The Pocket 4 has just surfaced in a jaw-dropping 3D render, and the entire tech world is buzzing. With the bold slogan, "Make art, not war," DJI is sending a clear message. This isn't just a gadget. It's a movement. A tool built for storytellers, dreamers, and creators who see the world differently. From upgraded optics and smarter stabilization to a sleeker, more intelligent design, the Pocket 4 is designed to inspire. Whether you're vlogging your adventures, shooting cinematic travel films, or capturing fast-paced action, this compact beast is about to be your new creative sidekick. You're watching GadgetVerse, and today we're diving into everything that makes the DJI Pocket 4 one of the most exciting creative tools of the decade. So buckle up, because this is where pocket-sized filmmaking gets serious. The evolution of pocket power. The Pocket 4 takes everything great about the Pocket 3 and dials it way past 11. At its heart, a dual-lens camera system, the first ever in the Pocket lineup. We're talking about a 24mm wide lens and a 70mm zoom lens, giving creators total freedom. Capture sweeping cinematic shots and crisp close-ups, all without swapping gear, and that's just the start. The 3-axis gimbal has been re-engineered with advanced AI stabilization, keeping your shots butter smooth, even when you're running, jumping, or shooting handheld. The result? Footage that looks like it was shot on a full professional rig, except this one slips right into your pocket. Smarter, sleeker, stronger. The design evolution is where things get seriously interesting. The Pocket 4 now features a vertical and horizontal switchable display, perfect for cinematic YouTube content and short-form videos like Reels or TikTok. Creators can finally switch between formats in seconds. No awkward setups, no wasted time. DJI's also added a 3D remote sensor button for pinpoint control, and a PTZ lock button that keeps your framing stable even during rapid movement. And here's a feature you'll love: a built-in tripod inside the handle. No more extra mounts or bulky accessories. Just set it down, frame your shot, and create. The dual lens revolution. Early reports suggest the right lens packs a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap forward in detail, color, and low-light performance. The second lens could function as a telephoto zoom or depth sensor, unlocking next-gen autofocus and AR tracking capabilities. DJI might also be deepening its partnership with Hasselblad, which means that signature Hasselblad color science could be baked right into the Pocket 4. Imagine cinematic colors straight out of the camera, no heavy grading needed. The little screen with big vision. The 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen is a big step up. 480-800 resolution, 800 nits brightness, and beautiful clarity, even under bright sunlight. And with rumored ActiveTrack 7.0, combining phase detection and eye tracking, your subjects stay perfectly in focus, even during unpredictable movements. Performance that inspires. The Pocket 4 is expected to shoot 4K video at up to 240 frames per second, which means ultra-smooth slow motion that looks cinematic and dreamlike. Combine that with hybrid mechanical plus electronic stabilization, and your shots will look natural, steady, and truly professional. Weighing just 190 grams, the Pocket 4 feels light but premium, sleek, refined, and ready to go anywhere. It's not just a handheld camera, it's a creative studio that travels with you. The final take, the DJI Pocket 4, is proof that filmmaking doesn't have to mean carrying a backpack full of gear. It's compact, powerful, and beautifully designed to help creators make art anywhere. From vloggers and travelers to professional storytellers, this little powerhouse is here to change how we capture the world. DJI has once again blurred the line between innovation and artistry, and the Pocket 4 might just be their boldest step yet. So what do you think? Could this be the ultimate pocket camera of the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse, your home for everything cutting-edge in tech and creative tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the future of innovation. Until next time, stay creative and keep making art that inspires.